Will the market go up or down? Should you lock in or float? Find out this and more with Master of the Markets, hosted by Barry Habib of MBS Highway. Brought to you by Paramount Residential Mortgage Group.
In today's mortgage environment, providing our wholesale community with the best combination of product, pricing, technology, and service is paramount to their success. PRMG, built by originators for originators.
Welcome to another edition of Master of the Markets. I'm Barry Habib, and MBS Highway is created exclusively for Mortgage News Network, and it's brought to you by our friends at PRMG, who are working for your best interest. Happy New Year! Happy 2020, a new decade, first edition of Master of the Markets in the new decade. Quite exciting, and there is a lot to be excited about. The year ahead looks to be one where interest rates should be pretty darn good, housing should be terrific. Let's take a quick look back at the last week of the year and see what happened. And we did get some great news about housing. Appreciation levels actually accelerating according to both Case-Shilo and the FHFA. We see appreciation levels able to create a lot of wealth. Case-Shilo's numbers going up overall, over 3% around the country. FHFA, which measures appreciation on homes with a conforming mortgage. So logically, we can surmise that these are homes that are perhaps not as large, because not as expensive, I should say, due to the fact that you've got to have a conforming loan amount. Of course, you could have some expensive homes in there, but by and large, these are probably going to be homes that are on the lower side of the price range or medium side of the price range. And really, that's where the housing market's got most of the action. If you want to see the housing markets around the country and how they're performing, just take a look at as close to median home price and below it, the market's on fire. The further up you go for median home price, the slower that market will be. Pretty much all over the U.S. right now is what we're looking at as far as home price appreciation. Now, we also got pending home sales, and that number was a really good number too, showing that even with low inventory, and this is the key here, inventory levels are so low, but the numbers beat month over month. In fact, not just low inventory. When they measured this report for pending home sales, inventory levels were at their lowest level ever recorded for the month of November. So not a lot to choose from, and still home price activity, contracts on existing homes up over 7% on a year-over-year basis. That shows a lot of strength in the housing market. Yes, of course, interest rates are cooperating, but this just shows that there's more demand and supply, and that's going to continue just based on the demographics alone. All right, when we take a look at this week, it is all of a sudden jobs week already, and this will be a big influence. Now, there's not a lot of news. We're going to get ADP on Wednesday and a 10-year note auction on Wednesday. That can be market moving, but on Friday, we're going to get the big jobs number, looking for about 160,000 jobs to be created. But this is going to be a number that will certainly move the markets if it's a surprise. If it's a surprise to the downside, expect bonds to do better. If it's a surprise to the upside, well, bond prices probably will do a little bit worse. And when we take a look at yields, the 10-year Treasury yield right now, after reaching some higher levels, has slowly been improving, and that's been great for us. I want you to watch this level right around 183 right now and see if we can get underneath it. If we can get underneath that, we're going to 178. That'll be a big plus, and that'll be the next stop. Let's see where we go from there. I have a feeling there's a good chance we can get there based upon the momentum I see, and that stocks are due for a little bit of a pullback. They have just been on fire. Hope you guys have a great week, and if you haven't already checked out MBS Highway, it should be your New Year's resolution to be better, and we'll help you get there. Bye.
PRMG continues to provide our wholesale partners across the nation with better technology, better product, better pricing, and better service. Our nationally recognized brand is more than just an image. It is a symbol of integrity. PRMG, built by originators for originators. Be sure to click on the link below for your free 30-day MBS Highway trial.
This is Mortgage News Network.